Hey guys, welcome back to releasethecraftin. Priscilla here with a little Quickie Stickii unboxing. So Stickii Club is a monthly subscription service that I get. I'm going to link the information down below because I'm not sponsored. But you can check it out there if you are interested in picking up one of these for yourselves. They do sell the past ones. I feel like I don't say that often enough. But if you're looking to get a past pack, which means a pack that I am currently holding in my hands and you don't have yet because you missed the monthly cutoff, they sell the past ones. So you can find them there if you are interested in picking up one that I've opened here. Again, I'm not sponsored, so I don't need to market them that hard. Anyways, this month I got the pop pack. I got confused because I thought that this was the one that I had just unboxed previously with the Red Riding Hood one, but it turned out to not be because this is the monthly one, and that was the one I ordered separately because I too missed a pack that I wanted and went back and got it. Again, I don't know why I'm marketing for them, but we're going to crack this open and see what is inside. We've had some really good ones this year, some winners so far, so I'm looking forward to this. I'm going to save this envelope for later. And let's see what we got. Cursed. I love it. This is another winner already. I can tell. I can tell because there's a frog and spooky little stuff right here. So, just get the label on. And I'm gonna open up the frog first because it's in your face and it's obvious. And look at this. Look at this little guy. I love the detail on this. It is really pretty. This is a vinyl sticker, so I get to stick it somewhere cool. But look how cute this is. I love this. He's also got like rose petals coming out of his face, which is a little bit concerning, but not that concerning. It's giving Pokemon, but real, and I like that. Because look, yeah, like I really love Bulbasaur, so like this is in the same vein. And then we got a little, oh yes, it's a little notepad. And this one is also from Stickii Club. I didn't even read who this one was by. I just continued to breeze right past it. It is by Caitlin Hoyt. That's the artist. I want to make sure that I call out the artist so that they also get their props for doing cool stuff. But this one is a Stickii Club original, and it's just like these spooky trees. And it's like a picture frame with spooky trees. There's some like frame details here. And it's kind of like a blue-violet. I don't know how well that's going to pick up on camera, but it's an interesting color choice. But I like it. I like this little notepad a lot. Like, I'll definitely get some use out of that. It came to the right person. So let's see. I'm going to jump in closer so you guys can see what we got. Alright, professional cutaways. And look at this, you guys. It's like the stained glass style from Beauty and the Beast, but with these like really great fantasy elements. And this is by Lofi at Lofi Doodles. Look how pretty that is. I like this mirror a lot. This is pretty. Castle's pretty. All of this is pretty. I love this. Very cool one. And then we have this one, which is transparent. I don't know if these ones are transparent. It's giving. Yes, it is transparent. So these are transparent too. So that's cool. So these are like little tiny cloches with different like special flowers and stuff inside, and that's neat. This is also completely transparent, and they're like holographic foiled. The foiling on the cloches is really subtle, but you can see it on the little stars here. And this is another one by Lofi. So yeah, those are on theme. That's pretty cool. I don't know which one would be my particular favorite. They're all pretty neat. So I'll definitely get some use out of those. And then we have this one, which is also transparent. And I'm glad that they're transparent, and let me tell you why. Because after using a bunch of these stickers in my attempt to use them all up, the ones that are on like the white backing with the white like outer edge just jump off paper and have to be like doubly glued, which makes me sad. Because I'd like them to just be sticky enough to stick, but the transparent ones have not let me down. So like those ones and the ones on the textured paper, excellent adhesive. The ones on the regular like white paper, I don't know what's up with that adhesive, it just jumps away. At any rate, what we got are some branches, some more of that branch motif, some spooky branches, and this is also from Stickii Club. I like this one, it's all twisty. So that's pretty neat. That would be cool to like frame some stuff in. Gotta think about like the best way to use that. And then we have this one. Are these also clear? Yeah, well, they're also clear. Wow. Okay. So we see some more of that like stained glass, rose, Beauty and the Beast type stuff. There's some of these cups that are putting me in mind of Alice in Wonderland. But mostly it's giving Beauty and the Beast. But I'm not mad at it. This is really cute stuff. And this is by Elise Zill? Elise Zill. I'm going to go with that. So those are nice. And then, is this like a whole set of clear stickers? Because I'm okay with that. I love that. We have these really great, like, person and beast type motifs. This one with a tiger is really nice. This one's like a giant chicken. I know it's hard to see. And there's another tiger. A lot of tigers. And this one is giving like the Seven Swans story. And then we have this girl reading with a koi fish. And then this girl here with some kind of upside down bird. Like those are bird legs, right? So I'm guessing this is like the bird falling in the water and it's splashing everywhere and she's just like, oh, you silly goose. But it looks like a raven maybe. And these are by Daria Theodora. Or Zin Theodora. But these are really nice. I love the artwork. It's really super detailed for something that's like almost 2 inches. So that's neat. And then we have these, and I love these. I'm so excited to have these because I follow this creator. So these are by Camila Reese. And it's her Dryad series. That helps. So another transparent set, which is great. And it's all of her, like, really great dryads of different trees and different varieties. And then there's birch, and birch is my favorite. But all of them are really good. Look at the baobab. Yeah, so I follow her. I would definitely recommend checking her out, especially if you like fairy type stuff, because she has a whole series of these dryads, and they're so beautiful. And she even has some animations, and it's just so neat. And then we have this one from Stickii Club. It is like a frosted paper. You can see that, like, it's a little bit sparkly, but not super sparkly. It's more like vellum texture. And it's like sort of witchy, sort of like academic. I do like it. This is right up my alley. It's like a darker, like a, it's giving Ravenclaw, which I'm not the super fan of that concept, but that's the vibe that it's giving here. I also like this teacup a lot. And this like little foresty background, which is really neat. I like the set. In fact, I'm almost certain that that's the theme here, which is interesting because the theme is cursed. So I'm not really sure how that ties in, but here we go. The last thing we got, the little specialty item, are 2 of these giant cards by Daria Theodora, which I love, and I'm actually really happy to get the chicken one because I think the chicken one is probably my favorite out of that set. I don't know why, but also the tiger one, also giving. So this is really great. It's just, they're like little postcard style ones. They're just little tiny prints that I'm going to keep and cherish forever because I love them. Oh, you can't see them. I'm just looking at them from my perspective. But you can see all the detail in that like artwork that they really managed to capture even at the little tiny size. Look how great that is. So love that. Here's the other one. I forgot that I was like super zoomed in, guys, so sorry for that. I'm only semi-professional when it comes to these things. Oh, look at her face. Her expression is really cool. And I just love that. I love that the inside of the flowers are colored and the outside are white. That's so pretty. So yeah, that's really beautiful. I don't know how much of this is giving curse, so much as it's just giving sort of fairy tale vibes, but that's okay, because I really like the set. These are my pride and joy. I'm going to love those forever. I would have also liked like a big one of this one, only because of the Seven Swans reference, but yeah, the chicken one is my favorite. And then we got some Beauty and the Beast stuff, which I guess is where that cursed element comes from. And then we have our little spooky forest thing. So I think, yeah, I think it's there. I think there's a couple of interesting picks in here, but I'm not mad at any of them. I love them all. And they're definitely going to get used or hoarded. So those are some things there. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below about this month's pack. I really enjoyed it. I loved it. This frog guy is super cute. And I definitely got to think of a good home for him. That's going to be it for me, guys. That's all I have for this one. Catch me next month for the next Stickii Club unboxing. Bye! Oh, I appreciate your faces. Happy crafting!